Tell them what they're doing.
He's now beating the cranberries.
He's knocking the cranberries off the vine.
Beating the cranberries, and the white sticks are markers, so he knows where he's been, and then he grabs it, and he'll put it on the other side, so when he comes back around, he knows that he's already done that part.
Well, your deck is holding up pretty good, isn't it, Linda?
Yeah, I took pictures of my deck.
Russ picking the berries. Ooh, lots of cranberries out there. Here they are loading the berries up into the elevator and into the truck. Berries being poured in out of the truck, going up into the plant.